my man. Cleveland took him out like that. Cold. You can't believe this. Yeah, well, there's Prince for all the weapons. Red Prince on him already? That's moving fast, Robert. Hey. I was there.
You gonna speak, you know?
Doesn't make sense. Why would you do a thing like this? Man has no family. He has no friends. He has nothing. It's like little John for years, for Christ's sake. We're losing time. And if he is innocent, you tell me why it's on the run.